Spain backs global marine plastic pollution agreement. MITECO believes that a multi-governmental negotiating committee is needed to create a worldwide accord to address marine litter and plastic pollution. The ministerial conference is being organized by Ecuador, Germany, Ghana, and Vietnam with UNEP assistance. This conference will help set the foundation for the UN Environment Assembly's 5th session, UNEA 5.2, on this topic, scheduled for the 28th of February to the 2nd of March 2022. Spain, like the EU and most of the other nations, believes a worldwide international accord is required to address this issue. A new agreement must address aspects not covered by existing instruments, coordinate efforts of parties, establish new measures focused on prevention, and provide a framework for the development of NAT to that aim. Spain has proposed for the establishment at UNEA 5.2 of the Intergovernmental Negotiation Committee on Marine Litter and Plastic Pollution. Aznar emphasized the steps taken by Spain to fight plastic pollution, particularly those in the draft law on waste and contaminated land, which is now in the legislative process, and those in the national marine strategies. The conference ended with the approval of a declaration by ministers which demonstrated both that of the UNEA and the majority support for the idea for a new, comprehensive multilateral agreement on the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, INC. The ministerial declaration addresses the urgent need to address unsustainable plastic manufacturing and use. It emphasizes the necessity for worldwide collaboration to handle the whole plastic life cycle, including governments, the plastics sector, scientists, and civil society. Also, it should meet the requirements of developing nations, according to the 2030 Agenda and SDGs.